Yahoo! Welcome to Kota's Kitchen. This is a Japanese cooking show that we use this electric skillet in the office setting like this to enjoy the lunch, maybe the breakfast with your coworkers. Today's theme is the leftover food after the long weekend. You might have leftover burger patty like this. Of course, and too much bread maybe left in your room, in your kitchen. So just bring it over and let's be creative just a little bit to make something tasteful for your coworkers. Today, I'm going to make the French toasts by using the burger buns. After, I'm going to make the scrambled eggs with the burger patty. All right, so let's make a French toast mix. So we are going to use 4 eggs. Good. It's not gonna break. Okay, I'm going to use this part. So I have about 6 burger buns left. So I'm using 4 eggs. We need a 200 milliliter of milk and then heavy cream. Again, 200 milliliters. Then 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then here's a secret taste. I usually use vanilla extract for the little accent. Not much, but yeah. Then now you have to mix well. I wish I have a whisk. Alright, so French toast mix is well mixed. So let's add burger buns. You know, we usually use the square, bread, but today we are being creative, burger buns. So usually when you make a French toast, you're soaking for at least like 5-10 minutes to get fully soaked. But this is a very casual cooking. As far as the liquid part is soaked in well, yeah, you can start cooking. I'm transferring into this plate because I'm going to microwave a little bit to soften up. Alright, so microwave this for about 1 minute. Alright, 1 minute. It doesn't make big difference, but I hope it does. Microwave part is done, and now I'm going to cook on the hot plate. So the temperature is about 250, not too hot because it might take some time to gradually cook inside. On the skillet, we use butter. Cook on the bread part. This is so unusual to have a sesame seed in a French toast. Oh, by the way, so this French toast mix, I add milk, heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. For this show, I kind of researched it, and lots of people use heavy cream and milk together. So I kind of experimented at home by using a heavy cream, and then that came out really good. So yeah, thanks for all the recipes from everywhere. All right, looks good. All right, now let's cook this for 5 minutes. All right, so while waiting for the French toast to be cooked, let's get the scrambled egg part ready. So first, I need a 60 milliliter of heavy cream, and then 4 eggs. One probably tablespoon of mayonnaise. So just mix. Alright, 5 minutes has passed. Let's look at the color of the one side of French toast. Right, let's see. If the color is good, I'll flip it and then cook for another 5 minutes. Oh, look at that. So I'm going to flip everything. So okay, everything's flipped back. Flipped. So another 5 minutes. Right, the other side cooking is done, hopefully. Ooh, look at that. I have to make a scrambled egg, so I will place the French toast on the plate first. Right, the plate is still hot, and I'm adding the temperature to 300 and now making a scrambled egg. Right, for the breakfast, yeah, if you have a French toast, you need a scrambled egg, right? Why not? So again, it's a butter. Right, and the scrambled egg. Yeah. Oh, ready? All right, scrambled egg. Yes, of course, it's easy to cook. It's so fast. Okay, now I'm adding the leftover burger patty. Maybe for this much, maybe 3. All right, so oh, it's hard to break. Oh, okay, I cannot break it. Let's see. Oh,
take it out and put it on the
no. I have another one. Yeah, easier. Oh boy, yeah. I am so prepared, I get it from my home. I'm adding salt and pepper. Another Mottainai. Probably this is coming from some kind of to-go that we order in the past. Right, I reduced the heat to 200 just because I didn't want to burn the egg. All right, the scrambled egg with the leftover burger is done. Let's eat. All right, for the French toast, yeah, you can add whatever you like on top. I prefer a slice of butter. Yeah, I love maple syrup. All right, and then it's a whole package today. Leftover scrambled egg, burger patty. There you go.
Actually, that should be like the North Star of the show, right? Because like you get sponsored by Sancho.
Yeah.
It's leftover. Today's theme, leftover food.
It's not moldy, nothing.